Hello friends, this is Priyanka and today I have a racing car for you. Yes, we are going to draw a race car. Now I am going to start with the base of the car first. As you see here, I left space to make the two tires. Now for me, for any kind of a drawing, there has to be an anchor. Like if you have a face drawing, I would either have the hair or the eyes, so that I can imagine, or I can vision that, okay, how big is the face going to be. Similarly for the car as well, when I draw the tires, I kind of get a sense how big the car is going to be. But you don't really have to start the way I started. I just find it easier, how big my paper is and how big the car is going to end up. So yes, the basic thing that makes this particular car a race car are these flames. So if these flames are not there, I'm guessing you can just call it a car. But my son really enjoys vehicles, like may it be a fire brigade, ambulance, a racing car. So I thought, why not do a video on it? So I am going to color the flames first. Now why I chose to do that was because I am using pencil colors. Even if you are using oil pastels or any crayons, the point is that when you color the flames here, as you can see, by mistake, while covering the body of the car with any other color, it would not go to the flames. Like you see, I made the white dashes first and then I colored the windows blue. This way you are still able to see the white dashes. If I would have gone ahead with the blue color and then I would have done any other color, there is a good chance that the paper would accept the first color it touches. So I would highly recommend that go ahead and make sure that you do the dashes on the windscreen and also the flames first, and thereafter do the rest of the color of the car. This way you just make sure that your end result is neat and clean. You don't have any accidents as such. So this is pretty much it. I just ended up coloring the tires. Again, you can give variation. The inner ends could be gray or any other color, even red, why not? So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below for more such videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.